Alright, so sir, if you don't pay your bills right now, your taxes are gonna have to go higher. I wish I could, but I'm low on money right now, cause I keep buying things. Do you really think I would believe you? Dude, darling, don't laugh at me. I'm just being honest, dude. Well, I'm just saying, so, well, you'll have to meet with us again on Thursday, right? Alright, I'll make an appointment. Thank you. Oh, you're welcome. See ya. Bye. You know what? Let's check the news. Let's see what's going on around the world today.
Nashville is down one tornado siren after a crash on Briarville Road and Shields Lane. The crash damaged the siren beyond repair. Nashville's Office of Emergency Management is currently working with the siren vendor to get a replacement.
The hell?
Now, it isn't clear
how did that happen?
But in the meantime, anyone who lives near there is asked to be vigilant. Don't rely on a siren for your severe weather alerts. Always have another way to stay in the know.
That's crazy. I just hope that doesn't happen again. I think that was one of my friend's friends. I don't know. Before the crash.
You want to know where I am?
Those kids. They're just crazy. Kids these days are just like all the time. It's so funny. Oh shit, it's 12 o'clock. Alright. Oh, look, I can hear the other sirens going off. Well, let's test. Wait, why is that getting caught in the police? I don't feel so good. Holy shit, the dude's on fire. Oh no, I need to call the police right now. There's a guy on fire on the road. I need you to send some dispatchers right now.
Alright, sir, just calm down. Just tell me where this happened.
Driver Road and Shield Lane. Just please, come on, fast.
Alright, we're sending out some dispatchers. Stay calm and try to put out the fires.
When they took 508 to the hospital. I'm sorry to tell you, this guy severed a very bad trauma fracture, and his skull is bent. The car crashing into, and he's beyond repair, so we're gonna. No, we lost him.